In another video today, I'm showing you our laundry container. This is where we put our dirty laundry in, dirty clothes. And yeah, sometime when you are in the bathroom, whether you are taking a bath or showering or doing your other things, some people like to come inside and sit and talk with you. My children does that, I do it, and also my husband does it too. Excuse me. So I thought of, instead of them sitting on the floor in the bathroom, I wouldn't mind having a little corner where they can sit down. So I came up on this idea to just pimp up our laundry container. So this is what I'm doing. I did the tufting already. Excuse me. On top. Yeah, so I bought this blanket very cheap. It will fit to the bathroom furnitures, decorations as well. And so I did the tufting on top. I sewed it like always again, like I did that one. So I did this one. So this is underneath. And this is the old sponge I had. So I had to measure the sponge according to this, not exactly. And then you just made the holes, as you can see here, in the sponge, and then you tuck them in and just sew them down. So I am going to fix up this part so that it looks nicer, and on the bottom part, because I still have some of the material left over, I will try and put it around here. We're using self-adhesive tapes. So hope you like it so far, and when it's finished I will show you the whole complete thing and also the bathroom with it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe. Yes, and otherwise I wish you a nice weekend. So look out for the result then. All right then. Bye. So I just finished gluing the rest of the blanket onto the IKEA container, and now all I'm going to do is to cut away the excess material down here all around until it comes like this. And if you're worrying how you can wash this, no problem. Just put the whole thing when it's empty in your bathtub, and then you just, use water and soap and wash with your hand like this and leave it to dry. Then it would be okay. Oh, I need to close this up too as well. Good that I see it. Did not see it before. Yeah, so hope you like this idea, and that will also motivate you to do something with your laundry basket or container. Okay, so I'm going to cut off the excess material now and then glue that space in between together, and then I will show you the complete thing. So it's finally finished. It's all dry. So I'm going to cover it. Okay, like this and that. Yes. that's our laundry seat, laundry container seat, made from the IKEA plastic container. Yes, so I like it. Yes, I like it. Yeah, hope you like it. And yeah, now I can even sit down on it. And it holds me out. Ah, nice. Yeah. Okay, guys, so see you in the next video. You'll see me in my next video. Okay.